Today I want to introduce you to a cultivar of Bosnian pine. This is Emerald Arrow. You can see it has a beautiful upright form, which is most known for. It's got these very dense, deeply colored green needles. And also it's got this columnar shape, arrow shape that doesn't require any pruning. So that's one of the benefits of this particular cultivar. Now it is hardy from zones 5 to 8, which covers most of Oklahoma. You might be a little bit cautious as you go into southern Oklahoma, because while it needs full sun, that heat can sort of affect it. So that's where site selection might be a little bit important. Now it handles most soil conditions rather well, including alkaline soil, making it a good candidate for western Oklahoma. It can handle clay soils, but what it can't handle is soggy soils. So if you have clay soils, you want to make sure to maybe plant it a little bit high, or specifically in an area that doesn't drain towards that site where you're going to plant it. So you don't want to have soggy conditions for this plant to grow in. But like I said, it's a low maintenance plant. It's a nice evergreen. It's going to top out about 12 to 15 feet in height and get about 7 to 8 feet wide. So it's going to give you a nice kind of compact shape, again, without the pruning. So this particular cultivar, again, is Emerald Arrow Bosnian Pine. It might be one that you want to try in your landscape. We hope you enjoyed this video as part of our Oklahoma Gardening YouTube channel. You can also find even more videos on the OK Gardening Classics YouTube channel. And join us on social media for great gardening tips, photos, and discussion.